What's up, you sick cunts? You sick cunts. Welcome back to another trade recap. Today we made $615. Almost an A+ setup. I would call it an A- just because we didn't get a liquidity sweep. We'll pop into what I was thinking in the charts, how I marked on my chart, kind of how I trade and shit like that. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. The 1 hour, as you can see, we're marking out highs and lows in price action. If you're having trouble marking out these lows, just look for the pointy edges in price action. Here, these are all highs. Buy side liquidity. Anything under the current price is sell side liquidity. So this is where you're basically taking profit. You're looking for manipulation legs, anything like that. So yeah, lows right here. There's no way price gets down here. This was the open around right here. So yeah, 800 points. That's just unrealistic. So really don't have to mark that up. But yeah, this is basically what happened in today's session. Caught a really good trade today. Even though it doesn't look the most sexiest, it still paid dividends. A lot of people go for the bigger and longer trades. And they just lose more. So that's just not the way I operate. I operate with quick, precise, high probability trades. And these, I think I have an 82% win rate, and these almost always bang. So $615 straight to the bank. And yeah, the reason why I didn't target these lows right here, even though it's looked pretty good, I just have a rule of thumb: just get out at the first low, get out at the first high. What the heck? For example, if I went long right here, I would target this high right here. Wouldn't target this one or this one, just because it's a high probability that we might use this to manipulate reversal. Just want to be really safe with my trading and keep that win rate high. ES kind of look the same, as you can see here. We get this really good for value gap. We don't sweep liquidity again, as you can see here. But we get a really good for value gap and equal highs on top right here. Really good delivery down to these lows right here. And once again, really good trade if you took this as well. This low was looking like it was gonna hit, but just rule of thumb again. Just target the first low, target the first high, get out while you can, and take your profits. Yeah, just did not sweep liquidity. Call this an A- just because it didn't, but I'm treating it like it did. This is like, bro, this is like 0.5%. Yeah, that's crazy. That usually doesn't happen. But that goes with discretion as well. I treated it like a liquidity sweep. We had the stop loss at the center of the first for value gap around 22 ticks. That was a safe place where I thought that price would not get to, and sure enough, it did not. If you guys just take one trade a day, ask yourself what a profitable trader would do, and just follow those rules. That is the best key to success. Don't get carried away by these long moves right here. I'm sure there's a lot of people out there that absolutely banked today, but just don't get distracted. Stick to your own strategy, stick to the way you trade, and yeah, just come out on top. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.